Hey guys, it's Tori here again. Telling you that to check out my channel, please. My channel name is RJ Hilliard. It's spelled RJHILLIARD. And my channel stuff is where I'm asking you questions like if I should make Monster High videos or Barbie videos or Lalaloopsy videos. But I really don't want to do Lalaloopsy videos because they're boring as crap. So I'm going to do Barbie and Monster High. And their videos is where I'm telling people that they're awesome, trade requests, and showing you around my dollhouse and how to make stuff and everything. And Phoenix Birdcage, I would really want you to send me some of those color things, like the same exact thing that you made LPS Hannah, the purple one. I love it. And so yeah, my wish list is Dachshunds, the one that is Savannah Reed off of Popular. I really want her so bad. I also want some Great Danes, a pink one at least. Those fuzzy dogs that, I don't know. Some Cocker Spaniels and Collies. And please send me some stuff. I've always wanted mail and stuff, and I will make a video called Mealtime. Alright, see you later guys. Mwah. Love you. Bye.